Hi everyone, welcome to my Quickbook tutorial on real company data. In this video we will be talking about how to backup a Quickbook company. So I have opened already the Quickbook. This is my Quickbook company. File, go to backup a company, create a local backup. This is create a local backup. So create a local backup, you click on the local backup and here is already selected. This is online backup. If you have online account like in a Dropbox or in a Google Store, you can save your backup online. Otherwise I do it offline in my desktop PC, in the same PC where there is this company running. I'm pressing next. I have to tell the place where to save my Quickbook backup. I'm going to save it in the E folder. In the E folder I would like to select a particular folder. Here, for example, I want to keep in Bandicam and in the new folder. There I will find my backup. Okay, and complete verification recommended, quicker verification, no verification, online and local backups. I will press OK. Save it now. Save it now and schedule future backup. Only schedule future backups. We have three options. I'm selected the top one. Save it now and press next. Now it came to the new folder. It wants me to give the name or change the name. If I want to keep it as it is, I will leave it as it is. Click save. Now the backup is saving. In a little while it will complete the backup procedure and it will give me a portable backup. Once this backup complete, I can then it's rebuilding the data. Let us complete the procedure. Saved a backup company file for 786 company name. So sometime when we do not regularly make the backup of the company, then Quickbook intimate us to reschedule the data and then it completes the Quickbook backup procedure. So successfully we have done the backup. Okay, now when we go to the E folder and in the Bandicam folder, here is a new folder. Look at this. This is the backup file. We can restore this backup file. We can copy and paste it anywhere. We can also take this in a USB, or USB, or we can write this to a CD. So this is a successfully backup file of Quickbook. Now how to restore this Quickbook file? Suppose you have the backup file, you want to restore it. You will go to the open or restore a company file. Open a company file, restore a backup file. You go to this option, you press next, local backup, we have a local backup. Here when I click this and I open it, it will get restored. I'm not going to restore it, but from here when you open it, it will get restored, and then you will have to for example give indicate your folder where you want to save it. Like this, I'm going to open it. Open, yeah, click and open. See, where do you want to restore the file? So you will show the folder, and then you will complete the procedure. So automatically you will get the company which is available in the backup. So this is how you do your Quickbook backup, and you restore your Quickbook backup file. Now for example, this Quickbook backup file which we have made, in here, look at this. To view the size of this file, it is 71.6 MB, which is a heavy file, and it is very difficult to attach it in the email and send it to someone. So Quickbook have a solution for this. A separate option is available here. Create a copy. In the create a copy, it create a backup copy. It make a portable company file. Create a compact version of your company financial data that you can email or temporarily move to another computer. This would be making a lightweight backup file which you can be easily attaching in the email. Look at this, email is mentioned here. So here I'm going to press next. It is asking me for the place. I'm going to make a new file for this. Or not here. I'm going to keep it with the previous backup, the Bandicam. Here I want to make a new Bandicam. Here, new folder, portable backup, or you can say backup for email. Yes, you press save. Okay, in a little while it will complete the procedure. It will intimate us that the backup is successfully completed. It's working. Creating portable company file, please wait. So the advantage and the usefulness of this backup is that we can attach it in the email. It is very small in size. We will see the size of it. For example, look at this. It is completed. I'm coming here, backup email. Look at this. The previous file was 72 MB approximately, and look at this. What is the size of this file? This is only 2.29 MB. So very easy to attach in the email. It will be working the same way. It will be restoring the company, the same company, which can be restored from the backup of 72 MB, and the same company can be extracted from the backup of 2.12 MB. This is the beauty of the Quickbook, and this facility is available in Quickbook. So very nice. This is the Quickbook backup method, the way we can do it. So one another way to move your company, the easy way is, for example, you don't have time to make backups, so you will find out where is your Quickbook company. To find out your Quickbook company, for example, this is the full Quickbook company. You select it like this, you copy it, and you paste it in your USB drive, and then whenever you copy paste it to another computer, you double click this file, your company will open. So this is also the one way of to